Hello. Today I'll be in Pandawa Beach. I want to explore about the beach right here today, and then you will see how it's gonna be look like for Pandawa Beach at the moment. It's not so busy, also not so quiet. Some people domestic come to Bali for see how the beautiful beach around here. So we're gonna be explore about the beach here, and you will see how look like at the moment the condition in Pandawa Beach. Okay, check it out. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore Pandawa Beach. You see at the front, this is the gate Pandawa Beach. Very beautiful gate. Okay, when you see the road here, this is still new. I mean, this beach actually is new, around 7 years ago. Is the new road to enter to go to Pandawa Beach. Okay, at the front there is the ticket counter, so we have to pay the ticket to go to beach. You see, right side and left side, this is the cliff actually. Actually, that is the beach since long time ago, but we don't access the road to go to the beach, so we broke down the hill to make the road to go to the beach. You see the left side and right side. This is the cliff from the stone. Okay, you see at the front, that is Pandawa Beach. Will be reached in a few minutes. And the cliff here is very beautiful, isn't it? Very high cliff, but very beautiful. Blue ocean and clear water. If you see on the video, there is not so many people coming. Just only some people, local people, domestic, they come into Bali. You see down there, that is the parking for Pandawa Beach. It's very quiet, not so many cars. But before the pandemic corona happening, this parking always be full. Okay, now we'll reach Pandawa Beach. White sand, blue water, and the weather is very clear. It's very quiet, isn't it? The chair and the table is empty. And this beach is quite long. The white sand and very soft sand is very beautiful here. You see, in the middle of the ocean, there's the wave already broke down there. So it's good for swim actually here. On this beach, we have so many restaurants and bars just beside the beach. So you can enjoy your day just beside the beach. You can have some drink or lunch as you want. And the prices here is not so expensive. The water is very clear, isn't it?
jumping. Look at that. Wow, that was good. Okay, you see on the video, that is the restaurant. Very nice garden, and this is the restaurant just exactly beside the beach. And usually before the pandemic corona, this restaurant always be full because this restaurant have very beautiful garden and very nice restaurant. But you see on the video, there's no one there. It's very quiet.
Okay, so this is Pandawa Beach. It's very beautiful, isn't it? I hope one day we'll come to the beach to enjoy the view, very beautiful white sand and the blue ocean because it is Indian Ocean. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.